Welcome to this video on basic chemistry concepts for anatomy and physiology. You might be asking yourself, why do I need to know chemistry for my anatomy and physiology class? And that's what we're going to uncover today. Chemistry concepts are the simple building blocks we need to understand the human body on a more complex level. They explain how we keep our pH levels regulated, how neurons communicate with each other, how our fluid balance stays regulated, and how we create energy by breaking down the foods that we eat. Chemistry is everywhere. It starts off with three basic building blocks: atoms, molecules, and compounds. Atoms are the smallest units of matter. They can't be broken down further. In the human body, we see a special type of atom called ions. Ions are atoms that have gained or lost electrons, giving them a charge. An electron is a negatively charged particle. An atom will become more positive when it loses electrons, and more negative when it gains electrons. Sodium is a really important ion in the body. It has lost one electron, leaving it with a positive charge of 1. Sodium is used to regulate fluid balance, conduct signals between neurons, and initiate muscle contractions. Other ions include magnesium, potassium, calcium, hydrogen, and bicarbonate. Molecules are made when different atoms are bonded together. Water is the most abundant molecule in the body because nutrients, respiratory gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, and waste can dissolve in water. That allows water to act as a transport and exchange medium in the body. Water is a big component of our interstitial fluid, which surrounds body cells as a way to transport nutrients and waste products between blood and cells. Water is attracted to negative charges, creating something called osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is important in the cardiovascular system because it creates a pressure that draws interstitial fluid into blood vessels, allowing important substances like oxygen and nutrients to enter the circulation. Compounds are formed when elements combine to create a more complex structure, like the macromolecules and ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Bonds hold these molecules together, giving proteins their unique folded shapes, linking sugars together to form complex polysaccharides, and attaching fatty acids to glycerol. These bonds can be broken down into smaller units that will be used in the body or to create energy. The pH scale measures acidity and alkalinity of a fluid, ranging from 0 to 14. Something that is very acidic is sour tasting, and something that is very basic will taste bitter. The body maintains a stable blood pH at around 7.4 to support enzyme function and metabolic processes. Stomach acid has a very acidic pH, which helps us create an environment where we can break down food. The good thing is that our body is very effective at detecting these differences. We see this in the respiratory system. The medulla has chemoreceptors that detect the presence of hydrogen ions, which signals that we have too much carbon dioxide and initiates an exhale. Now you can understand why basic chemistry is essential for understanding how the body functions at a molecular level.